Ever wondered how commonplace items like your water bottle or detergent container came to be? They may seem simple on the surface, but the process behind their creation is a fascinating dance of heat, pressure, and precision. These items, along with countless others, owe their existence to a process known as blow molding. Blow molding, in essence, is a manufacturing technique used to create hollow plastic parts. The magic begins with small pellets of plastic resin, which are fed into a heating chamber. The heat melts the plastic, turning it into a malleable substance ready to be shaped. This heated plastic is then extruded or injected into a mold cavity, creating a tube-like shape known as a preform. Think of the preform as the raw, unshaped version of the final product. Next comes the clamping of the mold. The mold, resembling the final product, is a hollow shape that is closed around the preform. Imagine it as a three-dimensional blueprint that the plastic will adhere to. Once the mold is securely closed, high-pressure air is introduced. This air pushes the plastic preform against the mold's walls, causing it to take on the mold's shape. What was once a simple tube of plastic now begins to resemble something familiar, be it a bottle, a container, or a myriad of other shapes. After the plastic has been shaped, it's time for it to cool and solidify. The air pressure is released, and the newly formed hollow part is allowed to rest, gradually hardening into its final form. Once the cooling process is complete, the mold is opened and the product is ejected. The final step involves trimming any excess material and performing any necessary finishing touches. This ensures the product is just as it should be, ready to be used and enjoyed. Interestingly, blow molding is not a one-size-fits-all process. It can be divided into several types based on the molding techniques used. Extrusion blow molding, for instance, involves the plastic being extruded into a hollow tube before being captured by a mold. Injection blow molding, on the other hand, involves a preform being injection molded and then transferred to a blow molding station. There's also stretch blow molding, where the preform is stretched in both length and width before being inflated. Blow molding is a versatile process, allowing for the production of a variety of plastic products of different shapes, sizes, and capacities. It's a manufacturing technique that plays a significant role in industries such as packaging, beverages, pharmaceuticals, and automotive, creating the bottles, containers, and other hollow plastic items we use every day. So the next time you pick up a plastic item, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that brought it into existence. The world of manufacturing is more captivating than you might think.